Yesterday, I was on assignment in Texas to cover a congressional delegation led by Texas Congressman Joaquin Castro visiting an ICE facility southwest of San Antonio, Texas, in a town called Dilley. Normally, we don't talk about stuff when we're on assignment until we're ready to air the story. But I have this opportunity tonight to talk to you about some of the people who I met there and who Congress people met there as well. Among them in that facility is a San Antonio fifth grader, 11-year-old Victor Labrador. Also there is his younger sister, Montserrat Uzategui Labrador, and their stepmother, Maria Betania Uzategui Castillo. The family's attorney says all three of them were detained by ICE while the children were waiting for their school bus.
On Monday, April 27th, the family decided to walk to the bus stop together because it was Maria's birthday and they wanted to spend a little extra time together that morning. Victor forgot his keys and he ran inside. When he returned, he saw a group of ICE agents surrounding his wife and children. Maria, her husband Victor, and their children entered this country in 2021. They were paroled in, they applied for asylum, they received work permits, and they had valid legal status. They complied with every required appointment. They did everything right. And still, Maria and the children were detained. Before taking her, ICE agents had Maria call Victor through the window and had her tell him, "Come outside or we are separating your son from the family." Luckily, Victor knew this was an empty threat and he stayed inside so he could coordinate legal support for his family. But he had to stand at the window and watch his wife and young children be taken away. He has since expressed feelings of depression, anxiety, and a profound sense of powerlessness. And I can tell you, having spoken with many parents over the years, the anguish of watching your child be detained, unable to stop it, is a pain I hope most of us never have to feel.
Speaking at that same press conference yesterday, Texas Congressman Joaquin Castro said this.
Most people disagree with targeting kids at the bus stop where they wait to go to school. It's not just my voice, it's the voice of the community and the voice of millions of Americans who are speaking out against those practices. And we have to continue pushing so that they stop.
Yesterday, Congressman Castro's staff showed me a letter that the three detained family members had written to Victor, which has been translated into English. Victor's son, Victor Jr., wrote this. "Hello, Daddy. I love you very much and miss you very much." Victor's daughter wrote this to her father, quote, "Hello, Daddy. I miss you very much. I hope you are okay. Tell everyone from my class hello." Victor's wife wrote, "Thank you for all your help and encouragement. We pray every day and hope to see everyone soon. With love, Betania Uzategui." So when this administration tells you that they are targeting the worst of the worst, or they aren't indiscriminately picking up or separating families, remember the Labrador family. 2 of 93 children locked up when I was there yesterday for no crime other than their immigration status inside a prison for families. That is a prison for families in the United States of America.